How to order food using the Grab app. So first, open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see an option called food, which is right next to the transport option. Tap on it. Then scroll down and proceed with your order. After choosing the restaurant, you'll see all the options of food that they have. Then simply tap on your preferred food, select the options, and tap on Add to Basket, which is located on the bottom of your screen. Then tap on Basket on the bottom of your screen one more time. Then fill in all the information that they tell you to fill. Then tap on Place Order button, which is located on the bottom of your screen. So this is how you can use Grab app to order food. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.